I am Anders, and I am thrilled that you're joining us today for this very special Father's Day edition 2018. We've got a giveaway of some of these awesome keychains that we've come up with. We scoured the internet, we went through all the Pinterest pages, we designed some new files. They're on Thingiverse, but we're also going to ship some free ones to you, so stay tuned till the end. But first, we have to
begin laser ignition sequence.
Begin laser ignition!
Everything you said we already knew, more or less.
Well, here's something that you didn't know. 2 of those special atomic bombs haven't gone off.
So when you clicked on this video, you were probably interested in the project video, but as a special Father's Day present to you, Do It has queued up something that has never before been seen, which is the hottest mixtape drop ever to hit the internet. Wouldn't be Father's Day without a dad's joke. So when we put our plywood into the laser cutter, we actually cover everything in just regular blue painter's tape. And this is great because it keeps the surfaces nice and neat when the laser is going over them, and especially during the cutting phase. But it takes a long time on something especially as intricate as this cassette player to get cleaned off. I found these keychain sets on eBay for super cheap, so I just bought 100 of them and I started hooking them up, and it takes less than 30 seconds. I'll leave links in the description below. Because we knew the keychains were going to be touched so much, we wanted to protect them from the oils and dirt that hands acquire during the day. So we thought that the best way to go would be putting on some polyurethane. So since we applied the keychains already, all we really had to do was dunk them into the polyurethane using the keychain, and then we splurged on a fancy schmancy drying rack. So I'm really pleased with how these came out. They're really unique, and they've got that shimmer from the polyurethane, and you can get so many of them out of a square foot of plywood, so they're very inexpensive as well. So it's hard to believe, but Do It is almost a year old, and we have just had a blast laser cutting, CNCing, woodworking, 3D printing. It's been so fun, and we have been overwhelmed by the support. And as a thank you, we made a bunch of extra keychains that we would like to raffle off as an appreciation for the support that you have given us. So all you have to do to enter is subscribe if you haven't already, hit the bell icon, and then comment down below as to what your favorite keychain is. We will close the raffle next Wednesday, June 13th, 2018. And we will send messages to people who won and hopefully ship those out so you can give them to your dad for Father's Day. And as always, thanks for watching.